Then save your favorite setting by pressing the memory button. Rest and relax in our zero gravity position, or use the memory button to return to your favorite position. When you are ready to go to sleep, you can press the flat button to return the bed to a horizontal position. You can also enjoy a soothing massage as you unwind for the day. The auto timer can be set for 10, 20, or 30 minutes. If you are one of the millions of people that snore, feel free to do your partner a favor by using the anti-snore button before going to sleep. This feature slightly raises the head of the bed to open airways to improve breathing and reduce snoring. This power base can be placed on the deck of a platform bed or directly on top of your foundation. It can also fit inside any bed and can be adjusted to several different heights. If you are ready for the best sleep of your life, then you're more than ready for this luxurious, adjustable, customizable sleep system.